Welcome to Zen Petroleum's Akom service station, a station designed to meet the diverse needs of our cherished customers. Akom is located near Ahinkro on the Kumasi-Techiman Highway. The station goes beyond fuel supply to provide essential services for drivers and travelers alike. At Zen, we are dedicated to improving customer experience with modern facilities and convenience at every stop. Our Zen shop is stocked with essential travel supplies, snacks, and vehicle car care products to ensure that you have everything you need on the road. We understand the importance of comfort and convenience. That is why our station provides clean restrooms and a mosque for customers who need a place to pray and reflect. Rest is crucial for drivers. At Akom, we provide a comfortable driver's hostel for customers purchasing over 200 liters of fuel. This ensures that they get enough rest before continuing their journey. Our spacious trailer parking area ensures drivers have a secure and designated space to park their vehicles while they rest or use our station facilities. Safety starts with well-maintained tires. Our on-site vulcanizing workshop provides professional tire services, helping drivers stay safe on the road. Vehicle maintenance is a key to a smooth journey. Our lube bay offers essential services, including oil changes and wheel alignment, to ensure that your vehicle is always in good condition. At Zen, we are more than just a fuel station. We are your trusted travel partner. Visit our Akom station and experience convenience, comfort, and quality services like never before.